Are you an independent woman looking to take control of your financial future? If you've ever felt like the traditional banking system is working against you, or maybe you're tired of putting your hard-earned money into an account that doesn't give you the freedom or growth you deserve, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into a financial strategy that's been gaining traction among women who want to build wealth and protect their financial futures. And that strategy is infinite banking. Before we go into why infinite banking is the ultimate tool for women looking to take control of their finances, let's first break down exactly what infinite banking is. At its core, infinite banking is a concept that involves using a specially designed whole life insurance policy to create your own personal banking system. Yes, you heard that right, your own bank. With this approach, you'll be able to borrow money against the cash value of your policy and pay it back on your terms. The best part? The money you borrow still grows, just like if it stayed in your policy, and your policy's death benefit continues to be in place. One of the key reasons why infinite banking is such an attractive option for independent women is the level of control and flexibility it provides. Traditional banking systems often limit you to the terms and conditions of the bank. You deposit your money, but you can't access it whenever you need it without jumping through hoops. With infinite banking, you're in the driver's seat. You decide when to take out loans, how much you need, and when you'll pay it back. Plus, the money you borrow continues to grow, something you won't find with regular loans. It's about having financial freedom, and that's something every independent woman can appreciate. No more waiting for bank approvals or worrying about your credit score. You hold the power. Let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of infinite banking for women: wealth building. When you deposit your money into a traditional bank account, the bank uses your money to lend to others, and they profit from it. But what if your money could be working for you? With infinite banking, your policy's cash value grows over time, accumulating interest that is tax deferred. Essentially, your money works for you, not the bank. This is a powerful tool for building wealth, especially for women who may not have access to the same financial opportunities or education as men. Infinite banking gives you the ability to leverage your money, building wealth slowly and steadily, without the risks that come with more volatile investments. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. Another major perk of infinite banking is the protection it offers for your family's future. As an independent woman, you may be looking for ways to safeguard your loved ones in case something happens to you. With infinite banking, you not only build wealth, but also create a death benefit for your family. The death benefit is a lump sum of money paid to your beneficiaries when you pass away. This can be an invaluable resource for your loved ones, ensuring they're financially secure and able to maintain their lifestyle, even without you. What's more, this benefit isn't taxable, so your family won't have to worry about the tax implications of the inheritance. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about why more and more women are turning to infinite banking. Historically, women have faced unique financial challenges, whether it's earning less than men, taking career breaks to raise children, or simply having less financial literacy. Women's financial journeys haven't always been easy. But here's the thing. Women are naturally great at managing money. We're budget conscious, we save, and we prioritize our families. Infinite banking allows women to be proactive in managing their money. It's about taking control, not waiting for others to tell us what's best for our finances. With this strategy, you don't have to rely on the unpredictable nature of the stock market or the low interest rates of traditional savings accounts. You can steadily grow your wealth and protect your future. Moreover, infinite banking provides financial freedom. It's not just about having a chunk of change stashed away for a rainy day. It's about giving you the ability to make big financial moves without relying on banks or creditors. It's about empowerment. Now, some of you may be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true. It's common to feel skeptical about something unfamiliar, so let's address some common misconceptions about infinite banking. The first one is that whole life insurance is expensive. Yes, whole life policies typically have higher premiums than term life insurance. However, with infinite banking, you're not just buying insurance, you're building a financial asset. And when you consider the long-term benefits, the cost can be well worth it. Another misconception is that you can't access your cash quickly. This isn't the case. With infinite banking, you can access your cash value relatively quickly through policy loans. And unlike a traditional bank loan, you don't need to have a credit score to borrow the money. The cash value of your policy serves as collateral. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. The key to making infinite banking work is treating it as a long-term strategy, not a quick-fix solution. This is something to build over time. The more you contribute to your policy, the more you can borrow against it. Over time, it becomes a powerful wealth-building tool. Many women who start with infinite banking might not see huge returns immediately, but the long-term growth potential is significant. When you start young, the compound interest can work in your favor, and by the time you need to tap into your cash value, you'll have a substantial amount at your disposal. Infinite banking allows you to create your own financial ecosystem. You're not reliant on traditional banks, you're not at the mercy of the stock market, and you're not dependent on anyone else to build your wealth. You have complete control over your money, and that's a game changer for independent women. It gives you the ability to grow your wealth, protect your family, and take control of your financial future in a way that no other strategy can. If this message made you think differently about money, banks, or protecting your family's future, the next step is not a sales call. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy, not a product, and it's not right for everyone. To help determine whether this approach fits someone's goals, cash flow, and expectations, we've created a short, infinite banking strategy review. Start with the strategy review linked below.